Hi friend, I'm Nick, and I've been producing and editing other people's audio and video for a while now, and I also do some coaching and help clients who want to do it themselves make better quality content. Now I realize not everyone can afford to hire someone to do this for them, and I want to start making resources to help people learn how to make better looking and sounding videos. I get quite a few questions from friends and from clients and people who maybe can't afford to hire me about how to run their camera, what settings should they use, how do they get better sounding audio, and even just troubleshooting problems with the equipment they have. So I figured a lot of other people are gonna have the same kind of questions and could benefit from me making videos, learn how to use their gear, how to troubleshoot problems, all that sort of thing, and help as many people as I can make better quality content. So if that sounds like you, please subscribe and click that little notification bell. Make sure you get notified when I release new videos. And when you watch my videos, make sure you stick around to the end because I like to sneak in some bloopers now and then. A lot of people make this look really easy, and I promise that they're cutting out a lot of missteps, a lot of misspoken words, a lot of screw-ups. And I think it's funny to show some of that stuff and just to humanize it and normalize it a little more, because we all make mistakes. It's hard to be in front of a camera. It's hard to talk and speak flawlessly. Yeah, there are some people that are just naturals and can do it, but they've also been practicing a long time. And that's a huge component to making better videos. Putting in the reps, just making as many as you can. You'll get better each time, and over time, your videos are gonna look a lot better. And if you're new to this whole online business thing and you're not sure how to make money with YouTube and with videos, I've made a guide that helps break down the key components to creating a lead generation machine. So go to glacierrockmedia.com/blueprint and get your free copy today. Take one of one, because I'm gonna nail it. Not really. And I make, let me rephrase that. And make sure you stick around, cut. It took me like 5 minutes to record that video and like an hour to set up the lights in here. Perfectionism is bad, and I struggle with it too. It's not just you. What the heck? My neighbor's fence, there is a tree like whipping. They must be like planting some trees or something. It's just really weird. Oh man, I get squirrel bombed all the time. I have these French doors right here, and like squirrels and rabbits and even lizards sometimes I'll see them scurry around. It's funny. So I am a coffee snob. Coffee makes the world go round, folks. I even roast my own beans. It's pretty sweet.